You'll get over it. Hit!
Fuck you all!
Just drop it, we'll take care of it.
Good day.
All right, we're starting
with 153.54.
Go.
Maybe.
Ugh.
Hit.
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 All right. The fuck?
You're hitting left.
Probably got some crosswind out there, dude.
That was low.
Hit.
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 All right, you've got the pop quiz on the shoulder of the 100-yard dipstick and the Texas Star.
Hit.
Fuck. Fuck. Fucking primer in there.
Oh, shit.
Should I give him this rifle?
Nope.
No,
Can't change rifles. That's...
You need a knife or something?
I don't. Anyone got a knife?
I had the nub on the detent that holds in the bumper turn. Anyway, it busted off and got underneath the trigger assembly. I don't, that particular rifle.
Nice.
We'll see if it's nice.
I don't keep the container in there.
Still got 6 minutes.
Where did I put my glasses? Fuck me.
Starting with the bottom of the star. That's a bold strategy, Cotton.
There we fucking go.
Did you get the pop quiz already?
Yep.
Okay.
It's on the other side anyway.